Alright, today is RWT day. It is Wednesday. It is 11:30 a.m. I have windy trees playing on my Echo Show, just a nice background.
San Antonio reported 91.
Turn you down. And I integrated my Echo Show with my with my fan. My lights on my fan. Alexa, turn off the lights. Alexa, turn on the lights. Yeah, so I'm just gonna pause.
You can save energy by timing your smart lights to turn on.
Be quiet. I'm gonna pause it until I hear the EAS header. Also, I'm gonna keep the clock up here until maybe it'll happen at 11:30 or 11:31 or whatever. Okay, I have a fuzzy feeling it might happen after
The
this.
Houston Office of Emergency Management and the Houston Fire Department. The coastal waters forecast for the following coastal location. Coastal waters from High Island to Freeport, Texas, out 20 nautical miles. Rest of today, west winds 5 to 10 knots. Backing to southwest this afternoon. Seas around 2 feet or less. Wave detail, southwest 2
I guess I'll just pause it until it really does happen.
A slight chance of showers late.
RWT.
Signal was a test of the weather radio station's public warning system. During potentially dangerous situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Test of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 12 noon. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day.
Woo!
Problems with reception of this broadcast, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Brazoria,
Chambers, Fort Bend, Galveston, Paris, Liberty, Montgomery, and Waller. Repeating, this is a test of the NOAA radio's warning device.
Here is the tropical weather outlook for the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico. Active systems. The National Hurricane Center is issuing advisories on Tropical Storm Debbie, located just offshore of the Georgia.
Perfect activation.
Southwestern Gulf of Mexico.
I just gotta leave that off. Dang. Perfect activation. Let me get this stop flushing. Here we go. Hey, are you giving me the no message glitch again? Okay, now. Yeah. That's not flashing anymore. That's not flashing anymore. Heck! Successful RWT.